Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The IFS function is only available in Excel 2019 or later, or Excel as part of an Office 365 subscription. The IFS function in Excel lets you pass a cell through a series of logical tests and then return a value based on which logical test the cell passes. This provides a very similar functionality to using multiple nested if statements. However, the IFS function uses a much cleaner and simpler syntax than the one that multiple nested if statements provides. The general syntax of the IFS function in Excel is equals ifs, open parenthesis, logical test 1, comma, true response 1, comma, logical test 2, comma, true response 2, comma, etc., close parenthesis. The IFS function can evaluate up to 127 different logical tests if necessary. Unlike the if statement, however, there is no default false response for the IFS function. If a cell fails every test for an IFS function, then the cell displays the $n/A error. To prevent this, you can simply add a final test to the IFS function that provides it with a true value, and then specifies the corresponding default true response. As a very simple example, if you wanted to show a text result in a formula cell using the ifs function that displayed two different results based on whether or not cell A1 was not blank, you could write equals ifs, open parenthesis, not, open parenthesis, is blank, open parenthesis, $A$1, close parenthesis, comma, double quote, cell A1 contains a non-blank value, end double quote, comma, true, comma, double quote, cell A1 is blank, end double quote, end parenthesis. In this case, the final true value and response is the catch-all test if the cell fails all the preceding tests. Also note that if any of the logical tests evaluate to something other than a true or false logical value, then the ifs formula cell returns the $value error.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.